Hey y'all, welcome to the Celestial Harvest. My name is Celeste and I'm so glad that you found your way here this morning. It's a cool morning here in South Florida and I'm coming to you from my backyard. I want to share a little bit with you about the gardening journey that we've been through, where we've come from, where we're heading, some of the things that work and some of the things that don't work. I want you to have an experience where you can learn from my mistakes and be able to create some food sustainability for your family. Without further ado, let's head to the backyard. Welcome to my backyard. Everything that you can see here really has been completed within the last year. Let me show you where we started. The corner that you're looking at here is actually where I'm standing recording from. And as you can see, the whole yard is nothing but grass. It really was a great place to start from. And here's where we are now. So one of the first things that I did as I was planning this garden was to kind of take a survey of the land. Really what I mean by that is I took into consideration how much sunlight we get, the fact that we're on a hill, so I tried to find a flat spot for the beds, and also the proximity of the chicken coop to the fence. The very first thing that we put here in the back was the compost bin, and the compost bin is super simple, just made out of 3 pallets, which we sourced for free. And it worked out really well for us. We've gotten a couple piles of compost out of it that was really great for the garden. We then added our chicken run, and following the chicken run, we put in 4 beds. I laid out the outline with some bricks, and then I filled the base of all 4 beds with mulch, which I sourced for free from our county waste facility. I next built this chicken coop from an old coop that we reclaimed the wood from, as well as the metal. And then we decided we needed a little bit of patio space so we could have fires and things like that. So we found some free and also purchased a few pavers to build that. All of the bricks and cinder blocks that are in the yard were pretty much free. I paid like $25 for about 80 cinder blocks, and that's a lot of what lines some of this. And then we recently got a free chip drop from our local tree trimming company, and we ended up adding probably close to 1 foot of deep mulch around everything along the back fence. Everything that is in this corner of the yard was one of my later projects. So this is what we call our banana circle. And I'll do a video kind of on how we set that up, why we set it up the way that we did. But really it's bananas and papaya, some sweet potatoes interspersed with some other edibles. That brings us to the last little bed here that I made in the corner, which I just put some white potatoes in. Okay, y'all, thanks so much for stopping out and joining us. I'm so excited to garden with you. Please stay tuned. I can't wait to go over some how-tos, things that worked, things that didn't work, and help you put some food on your own table.